Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, be sure you've unplugged the appliance before beginning. Your first step is to remove the top panel screws and set the panel aside. Next, depress the tabs on the control panel and pull it off. Disconnect the wire harness. Remove the screws to release the circuit board bracket. Remove the control bracket screws and pull the bracket off. Now, remove the screws located at the base of the dryer. Pull the lower panel out and then down to detach. Reach into the lower cabinet to disconnect the door switch and moisture sensor wire harnesses. Remove the screws at the bottom and at the top of the front panel. Remove the mounting screws located inside the door and pull the panel off. Remove the lower bulkhead mounting screws and loosen the upper screws. Remove the mounting screws from the blower housing. Lift the bulkhead off the upper mounting screws and set it aside. Next, remove the dryer belt by depressing the pulley to release the tension and unthreading the belt from the pulley and motor shaft. Now use the belt to lift out the drum. While securing the motor shaft with a wrench, use a square half-inch drive to detach the old blower wheel. Be aware you may need to use some force to successfully remove it. Install the new blower wheel by threading it onto the motor shaft and tightening it slightly with the half-inch drive. Now, replace the drum by aligning its rim on the two rear rollers and loop the belt around the tension pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help align the belt. Now, reinstall the bulkhead by aligning it on the upper screws. Tighten the screws. Replace the lower screws, as well as the ones for the blower housing. Reattach the front panel by lining it up on the cabinet. Then secure it with the upper and lower screws, as well as the screws inside the door. Reconnect the door switch and moisture sensor wire harnesses. Slide the lower panel up into position and secure it with the screws. Reinstall the control panel bracket. Reattach the circuit board bracket. Reconnect the control panel's wire harness and snap the panel back into place. Replace the top panel. Secure it with the screws and plug the appliance back in to make sure it's functioning properly.